My name's Pete Scarmardo. I'm a lifelong resident of the Brazos Valley here. I've been married to my wife, Jo, for 45 years. We've raised 3 sons that are all involved in our businesses and working with us today. And we're fortunate to have 5 grandchildren and 2 more on the way. We hope that we're building a business and a company that they can all stay in and participate in if that's what they so desire. My family grew up farming here in the Brazos Valley. I learned at an early age that I did not want to be a row crop farmer. I wanted to be with our cow herd and yearlings that we ran, and that's where I put all my time and effort into and started trying to learn more about the cattle industry. Then I got off on my own in about 1975, and we've been in business ever since. When I started in the cattle industry, I was doing business at local banks. As I tried to expand, I needed somebody that understood what I was doing more so than some of the local bankers. I learned that my collateral was worth more at Farm Credit. And when you do business with Farm Credit, you do business with people that understand agriculture. And not just portions of agriculture, but all of agriculture. It enabled me to borrow more money and to do more things. I've been with Farm Credit for about 35 years, and they started with me when I really needed the help, and they listened to me just as much then to help get me started as they do today. I've used Farm Credit to finance cattle, feed, grain, and the land that we buy. It's been a great working relationship. It makes it where it's easier for us to do business, and it doesn't hinder how we operate on a daily basis. And it doesn't matter if you're a small operator or a large operator. And of course, the more money you borrow, the larger your patronage refund is going to be. What we do is, and what I do is, it's not a job to us. It's our way of life, where a handshake still means something. You better have somebody that understands your business, understand what you're trying to do, and do the best to help you get there. It's been really great getting to know these people personally and being able to call them friends and not just business associates.